how to download Temu on PC. So the very first thing that we want to do is we're gonna search for an app called BlueStacks, which is app player and other cloud-based on or plays cross-platform products. The BlueStack app player allows Android applications to run on computers running Microsoft Windows or Mac OS. So next we're gonna just click on the BlueStacks right here, and it's gonna be open a website just like this, and we're gonna proceed to download BlueStacks right here for our device. And once we download it, it's gonna be appearing on the upload or recent downloads here. And after we download it, we're gonna just click on the BlueStacks right here, BlueStacks installer, and we're gonna proceed and follow the steps, and we're gonna just download it, and it's gonna be appearing just like this. Okay, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna just double click the app right here, and we're gonna see it just like this on the home page, and you're gonna see the multiple apps that are running on this BlueStacks or Android. Okay, next we're gonna just search for Temu right here, and once we search for Temu, as you can see right here, it's not available in my area, but if it is available in your location, just download it and it will be easily uploaded to BlueStacks. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.